I'm Naturally Ebony. Welcome back to my channel. It's another exciting review. Let's check it out. This hair, do a quick detangle. I'm so ready for this deep conditioner. I hope it's amazing. The Mielle Moisture RX. This is the deep conditioner, the Hawaiian ginger overnight mask. And I'm also going to be using their leave-in conditioner. And the Hawaiian ginger hair butter. Hopefully it has so much moisture. It smells like ginger, a real light hint of ginger, and also a little peony flower. It's very subtle fragrant. It's very thick and creamy, and it had so much slip and it felt amazing. That deep conditioner was heavenly. Now this leave-in, it don't have much of a scent at all. You can barely smell anything, which I'm okay with. At first touch, it's very lightweight. It doesn't have much slip at all. Let's go ahead and work it through and section the hair off and see what I'm working with. I'm going to be working in 3 sections. I'm really going for volume. So I'm going to work this leave-in conditioner in and finger and claw through the hair and separate the curls. Then I'm going to go back through it with the butter. This butter is very thick and creamy. The fragrance is really light. It has lots of slip and feels really good. I'm gonna go ahead and work that in and claw it through my hair like I did the leave-in conditioner. If you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and subscribe and hit that like button. And if you have any questions, concerns, thoughts, feelings, or if you just want to say hey, go ahead and make a comment below. Let's make sure that's all worked in. This Hawaiian ginger butter, it is so supple. The consistency is great. It feels very nice on the hair. It has a lot of slip. It's creamy. It's not too heavy. I'm excited to see how it's going to work with my hair. Alright, I'm going to work that and claw it all in. And through the magic of editing, I'm going to be done working it all through my hair. Right now I'm making sure that I don't have any parts or anything, and I'm just working it through. And now I'm diffusing my hair. Now at this point I'm a little worried because the hair is extremely soft. In a way it feels a little greasy, but no grease residue is coming off on my hand. and my hair seems like it's trying to frizz, so I'm a little worried, but let me finish drying. Now this is the end result. The deep conditioner I will give a 4 out of 5, a solid 4. It was really good. The leave-in I will give it a 2.5, maybe a 2.7, and the butter I will give it a 2.8. But my hair is seeming to frizz a little. It feels extremely soft though, I cannot lie. You can climb in my hair and take a nap. It is extremely soft.